Write a C++ program to find factorial of a number using recursion. The objective is to find factorial of a number using recursion. The operating system used is Windows 7 32-bit. The software used to write the program is C++ compiler Turbo C++. Some common instructions while using compiler IDE are: always press Enter key to go to a new line. To compile the program, press Alt and F9. And to run the program, press Ctrl and F9. While we open the C++ compiler, we get a blank file by default to type in the program. To get the new page, select the File option in the menu and select New. To save the file with the name, press F2 and type in the required file name. In mathematics, the factorial of a non-negative integer n, denoted by n factorial, is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. Recursion is a technique in which a function calls itself. Let us start writing the program. First, we type the preprocessor command iostream.h. This command is an object-oriented library that provides input and output functionality using streams. Next, type the command which declares the library for console input-output functions. The standard library is declared next. Further, define the integer function factorial to find a factorial of a number. Define the main function. This is where the execution starts. Within the main, integer variable FAC is defined. Use the clear screen function to clear the screen. Cout is used next to prompt the user to enter a positive integer. Cin is used to read in the value and store it in variable FAC. Next, Cout displays the factorial of a number along with value of variable FAC and the result. Then use getCh function. This command will keep the output on screen and hold the program from progressing further. And finally, return 0. Next is the implementation of function factorial. Within the function, we use if statement to check whether the values of variable FAC is 1. If the value is 1, then it returns to factorial as 1. Else, the factorial of the number FAC is calculated. It is the product of FAC and the factorial of the number FAC minus 1. Note that the factorial of FAC minus 1 is a recursive call to factorial function itself. The final value gets computed using the returned value of each of the recursive calls made. Finally, the value of FAC is returned back to the main function. Now, we will press F2 key or using cursor, select File menu, then select Save to save the program. After saving the program, it needs to be compiled to check whether there are any errors in the program. To compile the program, we press Alt and F9, then press Enter key. To run the program, we select Run from the menu and press Ctrl and F9. When we run the program, a prompt will appear with an instruction to enter a positive integer. Say, we enter as 4. Then, the result will be as shown on the screen.